improve the NGV online gallery experience, the new story game feature transports you into an art piece. Here, the perspective is of a player named Justin who entered a painting of cotton gardens back in 1955 to learn about the history of cotton gardens. Justin is joined by two of his friends in the exploration. Excited as they are, they played with the movement controls and ran around.
Hi!
Players can interact with different objects in the painting. This feature let users immersive into the paintings as they play a character of their time. Solving missions will unlock different parts of the painting, and players can learn more about the painting when they are actually in it. Finer details of painting can be seen clearly too. Also, users can be joined with their family and friends in the exploration.
Back in 1955, guards were stationed outside the Royal Exhibition building to protect a precious treasure called the Infinity Stone. In the wee hours, a rustling sound was heard. Billy, the youngest guard on the duty, picks up her rifle, scanning for movement, and suddenly a fox dashed across. The startled Billy misfired, thinking it was an enemy.
Next, Feature 2 includes improving interaction with artifacts virtually. Users can choose an artifact that they like to explore with, and the 3D artifact would be presented, allowing users to interact with it. As seen, as the player toggle with the volume control, the volume of the music changes. Finally, the Play and Learn features motivates kids to interact with museum artwork in a fun way. Also, they can send invitations to their friends and they can share their results with others. They can play different games, like puzzles, coloring artworks and quizzes while they are listening to the story of the art piece.